Hello, I'm Sema Celik. I'm from Switzerland. My parents are from Turkey. I came to Kaminoken to get to know myself more. Definitely, I even got more what I expected. I actually did not expect a lot, but I knew for myself already that the combination of body, soul, and mind was important before, because I already did some healing work for myself 2-3 years ago. I started with this journey, and I got even more what I expected, and it is a true transformation. I didn't know that I was able and capable for this. My mental strength, physical strength, that I was able to do this. Actually, I was not thinking that I'm gonna, especially the walk. I thought I'm not gonna be able to do this. Oh, completely. The team, the staff, Coach Nasser, Magali, they did everything that we felt at home, comfortable, especially after the whole trainings, which were very hard. I felt pampered and safe and home. Great, like the food was amazing. And we had a lot of nice conversations. The staff is very friendly. The accommodation is very comfortable. I was treated very nicely, and I felt very comfortable. Oh, definitely. Definitely worth it. I would do it again, and I'm sure I will come back. It's incredible what kind of coaching I received here, and especially Coach Nasser you can feel the fire, and you can feel how he wants people to improve. I can definitely recommend Coach Nasser. He's a beautiful soul. He serves to humanity. I didn't think that I will overcome all of these difficulties, especially my hip and back problems. And he taught me to overcome all my fears. And I can recommend him to everyone who wants to get to know himself more, train mental strength. I'm speechless.